The maritime industry plays a significant role in environmental protection, particularly because of its global reach and the nature of its operations. Here's how the roles relate to maritime companies. The first one, sustainability audits. Maritime companies can conduct audits to assess their environmental impact, particularly focusing on emissions, waste management, and the use of resources. Basically, they conduct sustainability audits to evaluate their environmental performance, as these audits help identify areas where they can reduce emissions, manage waste more effectively, and use resources more efficiently. The goal is to minimize the environmental footprint of their operations.
The industry is governed by strict regulations to prevent pollution, such as the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships or MARPOL, which aims to minimize airborne emissions and discharges into the sea. This includes reducing oil spills, managing ballast water to prevent the spread of invasive species, and other pollutants. Compliance with these regulations is critical to protect the marine environment. To reduce carbon footprint, maritime companies are adopting new technologies such as cleaner fuels like LNG, improving engine designs for better fuel efficiency, and even exploring renewable energy sources like wind and solar power for auxiliary energy needs on board ships. Basically, this adaptation leads to the improvement of engine efficiency and exploring alternative energy sources to reduce their carbon footprint. Evaluating internal processes includes optimizing and planning for more efficient shipping routes to reduce fuel consumption, implementing ship recycling policies, and reducing reliance on single-use plastics by switching to sustainable alternatives. Maritime companies are not only responsible for their direct operations but also for their supply chains. They work with ports, logistics providers, and suppliers to ensure that environmental standards are met throughout the entire supply chain, from the production of goods to their delivery. Since adherence to environmental standards is important for maritime companies. The maritime industry and the shipping companies are moving towards digitalization to reduce paper use and improve operational efficiency, which also benefits the environment. Basically, digital tools also improve operational efficiency, such as through better route planning and maintenance scheduling, which can lead to reduced fuel consumption and emissions. Maritime companies often engage in CSR activities. This can include efforts to protect marine biodiversity, supporting marine conservation projects, investing in research for environmental protection, and engaging in community outreach to raise awareness about marine issues and reduce environmental pollution and safety of the crew. By adopting these roles and integrating them into their business models, maritime companies contribute significantly to the health of the world's oceans and the overall well-being of the planet. Their efforts help ensure that the maritime industry remains sustainable for future generations.